How to rename multiple files at once in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to do it quickly without renaming each file one by one. First, open File Explorer and navigate to the folder containing the files you want to rename. From there, select all the files you want to rename by holding Ctrl and clicking each one individually, or press Ctrl+A if you want to grab everything in the folder at once. After that, right-click on any of the selected files and choose Rename from the menu. At this point, type in the new name you want and press Enter. From here, Windows will automatically rename every selected file using that name and add a number in brackets after each one to keep them distinct, like file name 1, file name 2, and so on. Following this, if you want to sort the files in a specific order before renaming them, right-click on an empty space in the folder, hover over Sort By, and arrange them by date, name, or type so the numbering ends up in the right order once renamed. After that, if any file ended up with the wrong name, just press Ctrl+Z straight away to undo the rename and start over without losing anything. Finally, if you need even more control over how files are renamed in bulk, Microsoft PowerToys has a free built-in tool called Power Rename that lets you find and replace parts of file names, add custom numbering, and preview all changes before applying them. That's how you rename multiple files at once in Windows 11. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.